Divide $80 among 3 people so that the second will have twice as much as the first and the third will have $5 less than the second. So let's go through our problem and see what we need to find. Well, we have a total of $80 that needs to be divided among a second person, a first person, as well as a third person. So let's find our variables for our first, second, and third person. Let's just give an arbitrary variable to our first. So let's just pick x. Then for our second, well, it says in the sentence that the second will have twice as much as the first. So we'll take the variable of our first, x, and multiply it by 2. So the second is going to be represented by 2x. Now let's look at the third. It says the third will have $5 less than the second. Less than means we're going to subtract. So we're going to take our second, which is 2x, and subtract it by 5. So now we have all our formulas for our first, second, and third. Our first is given the variable x, and then our second is double x, and then our third is the second person's amount minus $5. So all of this money has to be added up to equal 80, because the $80 was divided among these 3. So we'll have the first plus the second of 2x plus the third of 2x minus 5 to give us 80. So we took our first person, added it to the second person, and then added that to the third person's total, which should all add up to equal $80. So our formula is x plus 2x plus 2x minus 5 equals 80 as our final answer.